If you've ever wondered how to check your block list on Facebook, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy guide, I'm going to show you exactly where to find the people you've blocked on Facebook, step by step, so you can review your list anytime you want. This is really useful if you want to see who you've blocked in the past, or if you need to manage your privacy settings more carefully. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, go to Facebook and look at the top right corner of the screen. You want to click on your profile picture there. This opens up your account options and gives you access to your settings. From the menu that appears, click on Settings and Privacy. After that, select Settings. This will take you into your Facebook account settings page. Once you're there, look at the left-hand menu and find the option called Blocking. Click on Blocking, and this is where Facebook keeps your blocked list and other blocking controls. On this page, you'll be able to view the list of people you've blocked on Facebook. You can review the names, check your current block list, and manage any changes if needed. If you ever want to unblock someone later, this is also the area where you would usually do that. So once again, the path is Profile Picture, Settings and Privacy, Settings, and then Blocking. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. And that's it. Now you know how to check your block list on Facebook. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful social media guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.